Natural Nail Guru. Spring is right around the corner and we've been going crazy with swatches in the shop. So today I'm actually going to be sharing with you the Beetles gel polish kit that I just received. This one is 6 gel polishes and it is the Jelly Glitter Collection. Really, really cute. 6 colors in here. Pretty much your typical spring colors that we'd come to expect. Yellow, purple, blue, green, orange, pink. These are jelly glitters, so they are transparent. I'm really excited to get these swatched out and see how they look. As a reminder, what do we look for when we're doing swatches? We're looking for overall consistency of the gel. Is it too thick or too thin? We're looking at the overall coverage. Are we getting the coverage that we expect within 2 coats, or does it need a little bit more? And usually we're looking at a third one, which is the match between the gel polish and the regular lacquer that comes paired with it, but Beetles is only gel, so we're not going to be checking out that, just the consistency and the coverage. Now, before we get into these glittery swatches, if you guys like seeing swatches, seeing the most thorough product reviews on nail products, and getting all the best tips for improving the longevity of your manicure and the overall health of your natural nail, this is the channel that you must subscribe to. So if you haven't already, take a moment, subscribe, like, share with your fellow nail enthusiasts. Let's get everybody on board. I'll give you another minute. Now let's get to these swatches. Alrighty, so the first one we're gonna start off with is number 822, a purple glitter. Ooh. Oh wow, can you see that? It's like a hollow glitter. That is super cute. Definitely jelly-like. Wow, that glitter is really, really cute. Let me put my hand under it. You could definitely see the purple tint to it. It's not streaky. I like that it's coated really nicely. Good consistency. I'm obsessing over this hollow glitter. Oh my gosh. All right, let's finish this one up and see what 2 coats looks like. So here we have it done, 2 coats. You can definitely see the purple. The second coat really makes the purple stand out. And it is so even. Oh my gosh, look at this glitter. I'm obsessed. That is so cute. All right, let's check out the next one. Let's go ahead and do 819. I believe this one's the pink. Oh yeah, has that same really nice hollow glitter. Glitter on there. I love how good that consistency is. It is not streaky at all, and sometimes with sheer polishes you get a little streak. Ain't gonna lie. But that looks nice. Let's finish this one up. So here we have 2 coats. Lovely, lovely glitter, just as gorgeous, very evenly polished, really, really cute. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, this one, yellow, number 820. Oh yeah, that's yellow. Super cute. Ooh, this one's definitely more intense on the color, just on the first coat. You could really see it. Here we have it, 2 coats. You could really, really see that yellow. Man, it looks like I put more than 2 coats on here. I promise I didn't. That yellow is super pigmented, but you could definitely still see the glassy effect. That hollow glitter, super cute. Loving it. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, let's do the green, number 818. Oh, super cute. Definitely nice pigmenting. Really nice. Even in coating, the consistency of these gels, man, they really kill it, especially with their glitters. Like, it's super glittery. It's not dragging the chunks of glitter everywhere. Really cute. Let's finish this one up. So here we have it, 2 coats, super cute, even coverage, lots of glitter. Can I get a close up? Can you guys see that? Let me see. Look at this. It is so cute. All right, let's check out the next one. So this one is, I'm thinking orange, number 821. Oh yeah, definitely orange, like a coral. Am I out of focus here? There we go. Super cute, good consistency. I can't really focus on the nail. There we go. Really, really cute. Let's finish this one up. So here we go, 2 coats. The color is super on point. That glitter is just everything. Even coverage, love it. We got one more, let's check it out. This last one is blue, number 817. Oh yeah, that's blue. Really, really cute. Super, super cute. Consistency on point. Glitter is gorgeous. Let's finish this one up. So here we have 2 coats of the glitter. Even coverage, no streaks. You could see that super cute hollow glitter. I'm loving it. Let me actually show you guys one of these as a top coat. Let's get one of these oranges. Let's see, which one do you guys like? Let's go with this one, why not? I'm just gonna put 1 coat over my swatch because I really wanna see how this looks over a color. Oh, look at that. Super cute. This is so nice as a, oh God, it keeps getting blurry. I hope this wasn't doing it the whole time. Look at how cute that looks. These are the perfect jelly colors. Let me show you a different shade. Oh yes. Can you guys see that? Can I get closer? Look at this. It literally looks like the polish itself. It doesn't even look like a top coat. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just try one more. Let's do You're So Euro. My sister loves this color. Let's do a little blue top coat on a dark one and see what that looks like. Ooh, we're blurry. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So there we have it, 6 super, super cute jelly glitters. I love that the glitter is like a holographic glitter, so it really adds just more sparkle and dimension to it. I love how even coverage the jelly polish is, although it's really sheer. I didn't really notice any streaking whatsoever. I love that it's also sheer enough that you can put on top of the color, like the blue glitter polish, put it on top of any shade of blue and it's gonna give it a really nice effect. Definitely something that can be versatile as a standalone gel polish or as a top coat. Definitely really loving the consistency across the board, but when has Beetles disappointed? Now this kit was, I believe, $13.99. The link is gonna be down below if you guys wanna check it out on Amazon. They have lots of color variations there, but the link for this specific kit is the one that's gonna be down below, which you guys can definitely check out. So thanks again everyone for tuning in, and for all those that newly subscribed after today's video, I do appreciate it. Stay tuned because we have lots more to come. Bye.